In 1932, the Australian military lost a literal war against birds. 20,000 emus were destroying completely defenseless farmland out west. The farmers begged for help, so the government sent army soldiers with machine guns. The commander expected to easily mow down the giant flightless birds. But to their absolute horror, the emus deployed guerrilla tactics. When the shooting started, the birds scattered instantly in every direction. They ran so fast and erratically that the heavy machine guns were completely useless. The soldiers fired 10,000 rounds of ammunition and barely hit anything. Humiliated by the sheer speed of the emus, the army actually retreated. The Australian Parliament was forced to declare the emus the official victors. Please follow and like for more underrated history.